Okay, welcome to the main lab of the FNC, Alma Cafe. What we do is use a machine like this one here with a funnel. It's called a divider, homogenizer as well. And we get all the sample into this funnel and we start the process like we will show you. We repeat the process as many times as we need in order to get the right amount of coffee necessary to perform the sensory analysis. So once we get the two samples, the sub-samples that we will use in sensory analysis, we have to clean it for physical defects that you can find in them. Every single coffee bean that you see that is defective and can affect the flavor of the coffee has to be retired of the sample. We take about 120 grams of green coffee for each roasting drum, and we wait about 7 to 10 minutes depending of the coffee moisture content and depending of the roasting point. There is some chemical changes that you will see in the coffee bean that gives the flavor that we know as coffee in the beverage. Some of these are reflected by something called crack. That is the sound of the coffee when it's roasting. We use a roasting point between 45 and 55 Actron scale. Then we get the sample. We proceed to grind. It's about coarse to medium, and we use 6% relation between weight and volume in order to make a good extraction. So we got different tests according to what we're looking for in each sample. A test called the complete test, the sensory analysis complete test, where we're looking for different attributes, and we also qualify each attribute. It could be sweetness, uniformity, balance, body, cleanness, and acidity. Acidity of the coffee is a sensation that is usually detected in the sides of the tongue and in the palate, and it's a sensation that gives you notes like citric notes. When a coffee is lack of acidity, it's called a sample of coffee that is flat. Still there for a while, we usually say that the coffee has a really good body. When we talk about the clean cup, it's related to the different flavors that you can find in a cup of coffee. When it's easy to recognize flavors like sweetness, citric notes, acidity, body. So when we talk about balance, it's the point when you can get all of these flavors or attributes that mix together in a really good way.